All right, y'all. I'm gonna break it down on the chart just so everybody understands. So we have on the daily chart NAS 100, so everybody sees my account. I'm gonna show every single day. Everybody sees my account. All right, simple. All right, so daily. I understand that we're in buys, but we're getting into some territories that we got to start looking at sales at some point. Look how far this goes back. We just been buying and buying and buying and buying. We have no correction. So now I'm gonna put T. Hold on a second. All right, so in text for daily, we are buys. 4 hour. 4 hour. We are currently still buys. 4 hour buys. 30-minute. All right, let's go down to 30-minute. Bring this down. All right, this is super low. I always go for the first lows. 30 minutes, we're looking like we're in some sales. Look. And look how perfect from the daily. Look how perfect it literally touches inside the zone, comes down, can't reach. So being that it can't reach lets me know something. Being that price isn't coming back up lets me know something. That I would rather say 30-minute sells. So look at this. Previous low, broken. Support, 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 support. And we're getting weaker and weaker in price. So look at how we're getting weak in price. First we were up here, broke through, now we're down here. Try to come up, came down. Try to come up, price had to break down. I mean, why would you not? And I'm willing to bet that we're going to come down to here. So, what time is it? 4:37. Let me try to put a bet. Let me try to put a trade in. All right, there's 100 chart. Oh, I can't. Market's closed. I forgot. It's not letting me. Market's closed. Oh my God. All right. So basically, I'll put a sell right here and ride it all the way down. Let me put. So basically, when it becomes 5 o'clock and the market opens back up, sells. Entry. I'm going to be looking for sales and I'm going to get in and ride it all the way down. And you're going to see the updates and everything because I'm going to post another video tomorrow and it's going to be all on my Instagram. Oh, can't forget to put the Instagram. It's 2 D's. Link in bio. Peace.